Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update. And every single pattern that was not supposed to be broken is getting broken right now, and that actually means one thing, that the market is not done with its bullshit. And Ethereum on a monthly closing, because this is the 1st of July, so I'm just gonna tell you one thing. SHIB is definitely looking to come down to these levels, which is going to be the 400 levels, and that's just a technical target that is pending out of a monthly bear flag. So if I do bring it like this and I bring the other thing like that, on a smaller time frame, yes, it was actually kind of bullish, but on a higher time frame it was never really bullish, but it's still on a journey to go from there to there. And so you broke it out and you're looking for that technical target 522. okay, so that's the 522. Right, so in yesterday's video, that's not the only thing that I talked about. In yesterday's video, I just pointed out the head and shoulders. So here we are. I'm going to bring in the head and shoulder once again. And you are still not breaking the neckline. Remember, you still have yet to break the neckline, right? And that's a perfect looking head and shoulder. You cannot even deny how beautiful this looks like. Maybe some shorting opportunity. So left shoulder, head here, and the right shoulder right there. So what I'm going to say is I'm going to take this top here to the bottom right there, and I'm going to place this from the place of the breaking out level. That's going to take you all the way down to 773 or 771, and that's where you're looking for a technical target of SHIB to come down to, okay? And perhaps, who knows, take out the 715 and you're going to continue even lower to potentially that technical target of the 520 and the 5 something, okay? So that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.